So this is a knees over toes mobility circuit that I've been messing around with. And the basic premise here is that you're doing the hardest portion of the movement in an eccentric fashion. Then you're holding an isometric pause, and then you're going to the easiest part of the motion in a concentric fashion. So here I'm doing a sissy squat down, and then isometric in a full squat where you're pulling with your tibs to try and increase your shin angle, and you're trying to keep that spine as straight as you can. And then you shift onto the toes, keep a totally upright torso, and move up all the way onto your toes for a calf raise at the top. So this kind of strategy can be used in something like machines where you're doing 2 legs up and 1 leg down to overload the eccentric, or something like a deadlift where it's a regular deadlift on the way up and an RDL on the way down. This is just a fun way to mix it into your mobility. If you want some other options for knees over toes training equipment, check out thetibfactory.com, where we offer things like sleds, slant boards, the tib blaster, and different ways to help just build more robust knees to get you into movements like this and help with your knee training. So yeah, give this circuit a try. Let me know in the comments how it goes. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for new videos every week.